Amazon Kitchen favorite. This is the world's first self-cleaning cutting board system that cleans and dries your boards for you. The system comes with 4 color-coded boards and matching cutlery, so all produce, meats, and fish stay separate while meal prepping. Each cutting board has unique features like a built-in mincer for produce, non-slip surface for filleting fish, and once you're done, simply rinse all items with water and put back into the system where it will dry and use UV light to clean.
Amazon Kitchen favorites. This grater comes with 3 removable blades. It grates directly into this measurement cup, and you can pour the gratings from above or dump them all in one shot from below. These glass lids can fit a variety of different sized bowls, keeping solid foods from accidentally spilling out.
Amazon Kitchen gadgets that make my life so much easier. We're throwing out the old lemon juicer and introducing your new favorite lemon juicer. The unique hinge design folds the lemon in half, allowing you to extract all the juice. It has a built-in seed catcher also, and you can see there's hardly anything left of this lemon. It's crazy. Easy to clean, it lays flat, so it saves you space in your drawers. A definite Amazon must-have.
This is an Amazon Kitchen must-have that I can't live without. This rotary cheese grater will save you time and suffering and grate a block of cheese in less than 1 minute. It comes with 4 other blades that will julienne, thin slice, waffle slice, and coarse shred your vegetables. Assembly was quick and easy. I literally could not wait to get started. Don't forget to switch the toggle on the base to suction your grater to your countertop. You're all set to go and you will never grate cheese the same. Don't forget to like and follow for more Amazon must-haves.
This gadget automatically stirs food in your pan, self-rotates, and has 3 speed options. This utensil rest is perfect for pots and pans, doubles as a steam releaser, and also works on the counter. And this gadget makes shredding meat easy and mess-free.